Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll explain the whole concept of group by clause and aggregate functions. SQL provides aggregate functions to help with the summarization of large volume of data. It can produce single value for an entire similar group. So let's see the first aggregate function, max function. It is used to determine the highest value of all selected values of a column. Second is min function. It is used to determine the lowest value of all the selected values of a column. Let's see the example. So I have taken a table member here. Select star from member that shows all the 5 records present in the table. So the first example is select max salary, min salary. Max salary will take out the maximum salary from the salary column. Min salary will take out the minimum salary from the salary column. That is 20,000. So null is not taken into an account because null means blank. Next function is max doj and min doj. So max and min are also applied on date column, that is DOJ. So max DOJ is 2020-04-16, min DOJ is 2007-05-21. Clear? Next function is sum function. It is used to return the sum of all the values present in a particular column. See the example here. Select sum salary means addition of all the salaries present in the column salary here. So when we do the sum, 20,000, 36,000, 43,000, and 43,000 again will be taken into an account, and the answer is 1,42,000 only. Clear? Now see the next expression, that is some distinct salary. Distinct means different. So some distinct salary will take out the different salaries, means all the non-repeated values will taken into an account, and then they will find the sum of those salary. So 20,000, 36,000, and 43,000 only will be taken into an account. Clear? Now count function. It returns a total number of records present in the table. So again from the same table, select star from member. All the 5 records are present here. My first type is count star. It returns a total number of records present in the table. So it will give 5. Clear? Records means 101, the whole record will be counted. 102, 103, 104, 105 means all the records are to be counted in count star. Now the next type is type 2, count column name. It returns the number of non-null values from the given column. See the example. Select count name, count DOG. Here we have counted name column and DOJ column. So answers are different, 4 and 5. Count name will take all the non-repeated values, Rahul, Anuja, Sunita, Tisha, and count DOJ will take all the date of joining values, and this column does not have any null value present here. So it will return 5. Clear? Next type is type 3. Count distinct column name means it returns a number of different distinct non-null values. It count the number. So when I'll write count distinct salary will find the different salaries, means all the non-repeated values that are 20,000, 36,000, and 43,000. And count will count the number, and the count is 3. So the answer is 3 here. Clear? Now average function. It returns the average of a set of values present in the table. Here, null values are specially ignored. So I have taken the same table, select star from member. It shows all the 5 records. Now the next query is select some salary. Some salary will going to display the addition of all the salaries present in the column salary. Next is average salary. It is going to display the average of all the salaries, that is 20,000, 36,000, 43,000, and 43,000 divided by 4, not by 5, because null is present here. It will exclude null. Clear? So average salary will take out 35,500. Next query is select some distinct salary. Distinct will take out the different salaries, means all the non-repeated values, and some will add all those non-repeated values only. That is 20,000, 36,000, and 43,000. Their sum is 99,000. Clear? Next function is AVG distinct, means average of distinct salary. So distinct salaries are the non-repeated ones. The non-repeated ones are 20,000, 36,000, and 43,000. So the sum of non-repeated one is 99,000. When it divides by 3, so the answer is 33,000. That's why AVG distinct salary get 33,000. Am I clear? So we'll move to the next topic. This is the difference between single row and multi-row functions. You know, multi-row functions are also known as aggregate functions. So single row functions are always operates on a single value, where multi-row function operates on a group of values. Single row function return only one result per row, means each record has one result. And the examples are round function, upper function, lower function, power function, and there are so many functions like substring function, ABS function. Clear? Next is multi-row function. It summarizes the result of a query and return a single value of the whole column. And the examples are max function, min, sum, AVG, and count function. Next is group by command. So group by clause is used to group rows that have same values. We use it with all aggregate functions to produce summary reports. See, I have again used the same table, select star from member, that shows all the 5 records. And my first query is select city, count star from member. Here city is grouped together via group by command, and count star will going to produce the number of related items. So city will going to give me Agra, Delhi, and UP, and count star will going to count the number of items in a particular group. So Agra has 2 records, so it will give 2. Delhi has 1 record, it will give 1. UP has 2 records, so it will count as 2. Clear? Count star is going to count the items present in that group, and group by command will show the group of the particular items. Next query is select city, count star. Again, city is the column and count star is the second column. Where salary is not null. Now, where clause is applied on a particular column, not on a group. So, where salary is not null, all the non-repeated, not null values. Where salary is not null, so all the not null values is to be taken only. So group by city. So now see what effect it lays. City Agra and count is 1 only. Why the count is 1? Because one of the values of Agra has null. So it will not be counted. because where clause is already excluded that null value. Clear? So Agra has count 1, Delhi has count 1, UP has count 2. I hope I'm clear. Next is group by clause with order by clause. Order by clause arrange the sequence of groups in accordance with count star. See the example. I have to group according to the city and ordered by count star means the related number of items. So I have to count the related items and ordered according to them. So to display the number of members in each city, sorted high to low according to their count. Select city count star from member, group by city, grouped according to the city, but ordered according to the count star. Their count star value is used to order them, to arrange them in the sequence of descending order. Clear? Here the important point is this: order by is always used after group by, and where clause is used before group by. Clear? Now see the next clause, that is having clause. So it is always used when group by is used, because it used to place the conditions on groups and produce the final result set. See how first command is same as earlier. Select city sum salary from member, group by city. Now salary is going to sum here. Sit, group by city, city is Agra. We have two records of Agra. One is null and one is 43,000. So the answer is 43,000. Second record is Delhi, 20,000, and UP has two records and their sum is 79,000. Clear? How I use sum function here? Next function is, which I applied in this query, having clause and sum function. See the second query. Select city, sum salary. Means city is going to display and sum salary. Group by city means grouped according to the city column. Having some salary greater than 20,000 means some of the salaries, see these sum of the salaries should be greater than 20,000. So again having will remove this Delhi from the account. So it will give only 43,000 and 79,000. Clear? Next is where clause. How you use where clause with having and group by. See, again I have used the same table. Select star from member. All the 5 records are here. See now the important query. Select city, sum salary from member. City and sum of those salaries is going to display. Means city and sum of the salaries from member, where salary is not null. So this row is totally excluded. Sunita row means the mem ID 104. This row is totally excluded from the count because we have used where salary is not null. Only 4 records is to be taken into an account. Then group by city. Now when we group the city according to the city, the count is Agra, only one count is left because we excluded null values. UP count is 2, Delhi count is 1. See their corresponding values. Delhi 20,000, UP is 36,000 and one is 43,000, that is 79,000, and Agra, that is 43,000. Clear? Next is group by city, grouped according to the city, having some salary greater than 20,000. So sum of salary where is greater than 20,000, those record is to be displayed. So Agra and UP is displayed in this output. I hope it is clear. Clear? Next is your evaluation part. So consider the following table and answer the following questions. These are from CBSE sample paper 2015. PharmaDB is the table. And question number 1, explain why the following queries give different outputs on execution. First one is select count drug name from PharmaDB. The output is 4. Select count star from EMP. The output is 5. Why the outputs are different? You have to tell this. Next question is question 2. Find the output of the following. First one is the query. Second one is again second query. You have to find its output. Question number 3. Write the query to display the total price of drugs available in each pharmacy name. So you have to write the query for that. Write the query to display the maximum and minimum and average price of PharmaDB. Fifth one is discuss the significance of having clause with group by statement and give suitable example. Mention the difference between having clause and where clause. Give suitable example in the sixth question. So I hope you all are able to do these questions after watching this video. Thank you.